I don't have to have that background information of how they're not able to, the struggle of like getting up and doing the 5 prayers a day because of like whether it's depression or just feeling like that level of anxiety, and then we can explore, right? Versus like another therapist might not understand, even within that, not making it what that mentally the toll it takes and the disappointment and that level of anxiety of not being able, why can I not do it, right? So they don't have to give me a background information of what the 5 prayers means for them or what that does to them because of their level of depression, how heavy that it is, right? And then they can go deeper and tie into the iman and the role of faith. And so I think that is like ways that we are immediately together in this journey, because it allows us to just jump into it versus giving that background knowledge, I think, ultimately.